As you go to the inside of the vehicle, on the steering wheel, you'll notice it has Bluetooth capability as well as cruise control and music control, which is a great hands-free feature. It's an 8.4 touch screen, which is great again. This also has backup cameras. You can also have it set up for navigation as well. This vehicle is awesome. The only thing missing is you coming down to take it for a test drive today. It has brake assist, parking assist for the rear and front, which means it will make noise if you get too close to something, which is really great because we all need that extra added advantage to driving. My name again is Cherie here at Tameron Hyundai. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. Again, Alicia, the number here is 205-380-6250. My personal cell phone, which I have on me at all times, is 857-939-3652. We're located at 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from Wells Fargo as well as Subway. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it. I know I'll see you soon because this is a great vehicle.